Welcome everyone. So we are back again to discuss your pregnancy journey from 29 to 32 weeks. And in this video, Dr. Preeti will discuss with us what changes happen in the baby as well as mother.
Hello, everyone. In yet another series of week by week pregnancy, today I'll be telling you about changes in you and the baby from 29 to 32 weeks. So, starting with the baby at this stage becomes quite strong, and the baby's muscles start developing at a fast pace. That is the reason you feel strong kicks from your baby. Also, the baby's lungs are developing at a very fast pace at this stage, which the lungs get completely developed by 35 to 36 weeks. Also, the development of the brain happens at a fast pace, and we see significant increase in the head circumference of the baby. Though the lie of the baby at this stage is unstable, but you don't need to worry about it. Coming to the changes in the mother, you will experience you will also experience weight gain because the baby is growing fast, so you will also experience weight gain. There will be mood swings in the mother because of hormonal changes, and I often tell the husband that you'll have to bear with her mood swings at this stage. You will feel the baby's kicks are strong and also experience false contractions, which we call as Braxton Hick contractions at this stage. uh, you will see that the height of the fundus or the height of the uterus or the uh, because the baby is growing fast, so the uterus is also increasing rapidly in size, and that puts pressure on your internal abdominal organs and causes symptoms. You will experience gastritis and heartburn very frequently, so you are advised to take small frequent meals. What to expect when you go to your doctor? When you go to your doctor at this stage, the doctor will advise you to take an important injection boostix at this stage, which is beneficial for you and your baby. The doctor will also advise you to take a Doppler scan. The Doppler scan, the importance of this is that we come to know about the blood flows in the baby, and if there is any kind of growth restriction in the baby at this stage, it can be it can be detected by this ultrasound, and also you can in the appropriate medications for this can be given. The baby at this stage weighs around 1 to 1.5 kgs, and you will doctor will tell you to continue with your iron and calcium supplements, and if there are any other extra medicines which are being advised, so you'll the doctor will advise you accordingly.
Okay. So thank you, Dr. Preeti. And this is also the time, as she discussed, that the mother's weight is increasing, the baby weight is increasing, leading to more of heartburn and other issues. It is also important to lie down in lateral position when you sleep because this helps in good growth of the baby, good blood supply to the newborn, and as well, it is important to make your birth plan with your gynecologist regarding what will be your mode of delivery, whether it will be a natural childbirth, whether it will be a planned cesarean, or we will leave it to nature to decide that what is it going to be. And very important also to decide who will be your support partner, who will be your birth partner, whether it is your mother, your mother-in-law, your sister, or a very close friend, maybe your husband. But time to decide, and also the pain relief measures which are important. Also, time to learn breathing exercises that will help you cope up not only during labor, it will also help to supply good oxygen to baby during labor. Even in postpartum recovery, it plays a very important role and is a very good pain control measure as well. So, as Dr. Preeti discussed, very important to take your Boostrix or 3-in-1 vaccine. And if you want to know more about this, you can visit our YouTube channel and look for vaccination or immunization in pregnancy video to know more about what are the vaccines that are mandatory during pregnancy. As of now, we will say goodbye to you, and don't forget to like, subscribe our channel, and connect with us in case of any more queries. Thank you.
Thank you, and see you soon with our next episode.